Do you want to work on your physical performance naturally? To improve on your energy naturally? To boost your stamina naturally? To increase on your energy naturally? Today's video, we're going to talk about Nescafe. How to use Nescafe to improve on your physical performance, to increase blood flow. Remember, if your blood flow is good, my dear, even your physical performance will become perfect. So if you're a man and you lack physical performance, to boost your performance, to boost your stamina naturally, this is what you need, Nescafe. But before I proceed, my name is Coach Uganda. For such videos, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Link in bio. So, I want you to get for me 1 tablespoon of Nescafe. Okay? Nescafe, 1 tablespoon. From that, get for me garlic. I hope, guys, you know garlic. Only 4 pieces. Remove the outer parts of your garlic, grate your garlic, and add it to your coffee powder, which is 1 tablespoon. Then add for me lemon juice. Lemon juice, it means you get 1 lemon, you cut it, squeeze it, and get lemon juice. From that, add for me hot boiled water. Mix and cover that remedy for 1 minute. Lastly, filter your home remedy and add for me 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Now you are good to go. For natural performance, physical performance, endurance, stamina, this is what you need. Now, take that remedy every day on your empty stomach. Minimum for 4 weeks. I repeat, minimum for 4 weeks. My dear, you become a problem. From 1 minute to 1 hour in just 1 round. This doesn't lie. My name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. No side effects, no overdose. Go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe for such amazing videos.